Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO V50 Lite, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the first page of the home screen as an example for this. Once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time, like so. You get the sound along with the pop-up, and you have long screenshot and share options. This will disappear after a moment. And you also get this pop-up right here first time around, letting you know that you can also capture a screenshot with the 3-finger swipe down on a screen. Now once you capture a screenshot, you can find it in your album application, and by default, let me just go back, you'd be most likely located right here in the Photos tab, so you want to navigate to Albums, and in Albums you'll find an album called Screenshots. In here you'll find screenshots and then nothing else, so it's just much simpler to locate whatever content you're looking for in terms of screenshots. And here is the one that I have captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.